Crank the music up. Bring that shit in! Yeah! Movements in motion with massive militant poetry. Now check this out. The fight, light, study becomes insight in a system that distrust teaches us to read and write so-called facts of fraud. It wants to electric pleasure bow down into their God. Not the culture lost. Spun our minds in through time. Ignorance is taking over. Yo, we gotta take the power back. Damn, here's the blame, motherfucker, those sounds get back. I know who I am, raised up the ear, drop the style like clear. It's the Wu-Tang, the lyrics they fear. The rage is relentless. We need a movie with the quickness. Who are the witness of change and the counteract? We gotta take the power back. We gotta take the power back. Come on. We gotta take the power back. The classic curriculum, I put my fist in them. Eurocentric, every last one of them. See right through the red, white, and blue skies. Lecture a bunch of the structural lies. Dove in our minds and attempted to hold us back. We've got to bring it back. Holes in the spirit causing tears and fears. One-sided stories for years and years and years. I'm inferior, who's inferior? Yeah, you need to check the interior of the system. Who cares about only one culture and that? So we gotta take the power back. We gotta take the power back. Come on, come on. We gotta take the power back. Hey, yo, check. We're gonna have to break it down.